Ganesh Chaturthi, a time of immense joy and festivity, marks the arrival of Lord Ganesha into our homes. हर साल की तरह इस साल भी गणेश चतुर्थी was celebrated with much pomp and splendor. और अब फाइनली वो घड़ी आ गई है जिसका डिवोटीज को बिल्कुल भी इंतजार नहीं होता. The time of Bappa's Visarjan. On 17 September, which is the last day of the 10-day festivity, Lord Ganesha will be immersed in water, leaving many teary-eyed. For many, this occasion is not just a celebration, but a time when Lord Ganesha becomes a part of the family. The sentiment of welcoming him brings smiles, but as the festival concludes, his departure leaves us sad and teary-eyed. इस 10-day फेस्टिवल के कंक्लूडिंग डे को पॉपुलरली अनंत चतुर्दशी भी कहा जाता है. The farewell ceremony of Lord Ganesha or any other deity is called as Visarjan. Visarjan means immersion and it's an important part of Ganesh Chaturthi festival.
Ganpati Bappa! Moria!
The festival starts when people place Lord Ganesha's idol in their homes, public places and offices. On the last day, the celebration ends with a procession where devotees carry the idols to river, sea or any other water body for immersion. This act symbolizes the departure of Lord Ganesha, who is believed to return to his heavenly abode. The festival involves joy and devotion, with the immersion making a heartfelt goodbye until the next year. Well, there is an interesting story behind the legend of Ganesh Visarjan. The story behind Ganesh Visarjan is that the symbolic statue of Lord Ganesha is immersed in water to signify the end of his birth cycle and his return to his heavenly home on Mount Kailash to join his parents Shiva and Parvati.
Ganpati Bappa! Moria! Mangal Murti! Moria!
Ganesh Chaturthi celebration also signifies the cycle of birth, life and death. गणेश जी is also worshipped as the remover of obstacles. ऐसा माना जाता है कि जब गणेश जी की आइडल को विसर्जन के लिए निकाला जाता है, it also takes away various obstacles and negativities of the house, and these obstacles are destroyed along with Visarjan. The immersion itself is a moment of emotion and spiritual release for the devotees as they bid adieu to Ganesha with a promise of his return the following year. The process of Visarjan is often a communal event bringing together families and communities in celebration, music and dance, fostering a sense of unity and joy.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.